Hello, my name is Rio Andika. I'm from Faculty of Methodist Indonesia. Today I wanna tell you about my research. It's a metaphor in Jason Ranti song. The first is background of the study. The first is we must review the research, and next we get the information surrounding the song lyric, and we must see the previous studies on the issues, and last is the relevant history on the lyric issue. And from that all we can know that language is the principal method of human communication, consisting of words used in a structure and conventional way and conveyed by speech, writing, or gesture. Song lyric is some word from the composer to express their creativity of making a song. Second is the problem of the study. In this part, we must know the statement about an area of concern, and after we must identify the condition to be improved and see the difficulty some of the eliminated research. And last, we must troubling the question that exists. And from that things, we got the point that the problem of study is what are the type of metaphor used in Jason Ranti song, what are meaning of metaphor used in Jason Ranti song, and the objective of the study. The first, we describe what should we expect to achieve, and then we should link with a statement of purpose in study. Next, we can find out the metaphorical expression in the Jason Ranti song, and last we can convey the meaning of Jason Ranti song. And then the scope of the study. The first scope in the study is that explain the extent of which the research are gonna be exposed in the work. And next we specify the parameter within the study will be operating, and the last is we define the study is going to cover. So from that all, we can know the research focus in the lyric with explained by metaphor language, and the significance of study. This part we must explain why our research was need and justification of the importance of your work and impact it has on your research field, and last contribution to know the new knowledge. By analyzing the theory, the writer expect the reader able to know what is Jason Ranti song mean, have better understanding about the song. Chapter 2, Theoretical Framework. Previous research. There are some previous research of metaphor which is related to metaphor in the song and music. In order to avoid the similar corpus and explanation, there should be a review of previous research. The following is the other related research that research has read. First, the journal was done by Jason Ranti, linguistic major at English Language Song Program. The title of research is Anggur Man, album by Jason Ranti. The aim of research is to find out the dominant conceptual metaphor used in the song lyric. The qualitative method, especially in case study, is used. The result of the study is conceptual metaphor used in the Milusiloto, dominantly about life, change, and politics. Those included life is journey, change are movement, purpose are destination, politics is unity, and politics is war, politics is struggle, state are location, and less is down. This research only focus on dominant conceptual metaphor which belong to structural metaphor. This is different from what the writer study because the writer analyzed the type of metaphorical expression, not only structural metaphor, but also three types of metaphor. Second, the research has been done by Asafar. The aim of the research is to know dominant metaphorical expression which contain in the song lyric, to find the most dominant of short domain which contain the song lyric. Moreover, the method of this research qualitative method, the research of show that dominant of metaphorical expression in the song lyric of Iwan Fals is using figure of speech of metaphor, where a thing expressed through the other concept without using a word, like as this research also that the most dominant of short dominant which contained in Jason Ranti's song is the short domain of politics. There are 8 songs using metaphor of politics from 9 songs that have been analyzed. This is different from the writer studies. The writer analyzed what dominant type used in the song based of the metaphor Jason Ranti. Third, research on metaphor has been done by Asafar and titled Metaphor on the song lyric of NK in Daizenzu. The research published in America. The aim of the research is to find out metaphor which contain in the song lyric of NK and to find out background of the using of the metaphor. The method used in this research is qualitative method to analyze the data. While result of this research, the research found the metaphor those include life is journey, suffering is apple road, suffering in rain, suffering in cold, suffering is lake, suffering happiness is bloom of flower, happiness is sun, happiness is spring, happiness is sunny day, sadness is fall of flower, love is flower, and there are so many. Furthermore, background of the using of metaphor related to expression of Japanese with environment, America culture scene from the background using the metaphor. Proximity of America people, white nature, there are sensitive aware, and the concept impermanence mujo this. Metaphor and semantic, classical metaphor theory, original Aristotle fundamental work, poetics and rhetoric. Aristotle defines the application of strange term either transferred from the genus and applied to the species or from the other species and applied to the genus, or from other species to another, or else by analogy. According to Aristotle, metaphor is essential for philosophy as means of persuasion in order to gain influence in the political sphere. For Aristotle, metaphor also play a key role in the theatrical art and tragic poetry, where it is widely used to express and describe human emotion and action. This metaphor is useful for philosophy as it makes one speech as clear and bring it elegance and style. Conceptual metaphor. Conceptual metaphor theory is of metaphor developed by Jason Ranti. The basic idea is the basic is essential relation between conceptual domains, where ways of talking about the domain can be applied to another domain by virtue correspondence or mapping between two. Typically, the short domain relatively familiar and conceptual well structure, and the structure are used articularly the target domain. In the case of well-established metaphors, the correspondence are held to be permanently laid down in the cognitive system. By this theory, metaphor is not a particular linguistic expression. And chapter 3, research finding. Data description. The data used in the research is song lyric by Anggur Man, and all the song lyric are read carefully. The writer six stanzas which contain metaphor taken from four song Anggur Man,